If you are using WhatsApp, this video is for you because WhatsApp introduced a brand new AI which will revolutionize the WhatsApp. So if you want to use this AI, as we open our WhatsApp Messenger, you can see here is the new AI affair on WhatsApp. So this is some pre-questions which you can ask that AI which is already on WhatsApp. So you can choose the free question and ask him about it, and this AI will reply you in seconds. Like for example, if you're asking, imagine a movie poster. So as you can see, if you send that question, it will try to give you an answer in seconds. So as you can see, it can generate a photo. As you can see, this is a generated photo by Meta AI on WhatsApp AI. So as you can see, that is how it can do bunch of things. It can generate photos, ask a question, so many things it can do in a seconds. So this is the first place where you can get this AI. So the second place which you can get this AI is through inside your chat. As you can see in here, you can see the plus icon which you can add a new chat, and in here you can see new logo affair, which if you type it, it will direct you to that AI and you can continue chat with this AI. You can ask him bunch of questions and it will answer you in seconds. So that is how this Meta AI works. So the second things you can do, or you can how to get this new AI on your WhatsApp. If you don't see this picture on your WhatsApp, this new AI models, you can be able to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search a WhatsApp. If you search a WhatsApp, and make sure that you update it to the latest version, so you can get this AI on your WhatsApp Messenger. Also, this AI, I found out that it is not available on WhatsApp Business. Maybe in later update you can get that AI, but for now you can get it only on WhatsApp Messenger, and you can be able to get it only unless you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So that is how it works, how you can get that AI on your WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please drop a comment if this video helped you. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it to friends and family, and subscribe.